Couldn't bring it to you then, but here it is now. This is Whitesnake and Love Ain't No Stranger.
Who knows where the going goes? I ask my friends, but nobody knows. Who am I to believe in love? Oh, love ain't no stranger. I looked around, what did I see? Broken-hearted people staring at me. I'm searching 'cause they still believe. Whoa, love ain't no stranger. I was alone and I needed love. So much I sacrificed all I was dreaming of. My heart no warning, but a heart can tell. I feel the emptiness of love on this way. Love ain't no stranger. I ain't no stranger. Love ain't no stranger. I ain't no stranger to love. No, no, no. A soul in need. I look for mercy and my heart begins to bleed. I know that loving with a friend in pain. When I read between the lines, it's all the same. Love ain't no stranger. I ain't no stranger. Love ain't no stranger. I ain't no stranger to love.
Whitesnake, of course, on film, a massive... tell me about this extraordinary event. It was a couple of millionaires, wasn't it, that just decided to fly?
Yes, two guys called Roberto Medina and Oscar Ornstein, and he's like an entrepreneur that got together and devised this thing. It took 6 months to get it all together. We actually came in to replace Def Leppard. We were in the middle of an American tour and said, there's no way we can do it, we want to be getting in the studio. The Leopards dropped out at the last minute, and they made us an offer we couldn't refuse, and it was great, 2 weeks in Rio.
These things tend to be so often chaos, don't they?
Yeah, well, usually, I mean, I thought, well, when you do something in the West, it's usually chaos, even for a 2-day event. But this was just remarkable from the beginning to the end.
We read stories in the daily papers here about certain ego problems between, let's say, people like Rod Stewart and Freddie Mercury. Tell me the truth.
It was great, because what happened, they had 2 hotels. We took over all the acts and things from all over the place, and they thought we'd put all the hard rock and heavy metal acts in one hotel and keep, you know, like lots of security there. And all the gentle acts like James Taylor, George Benson, and Rod Stewart. And the hell was created by the, you know, the Conservative Party. You know. It was wild.
You were saying earlier that that was actually the last performance of Cozy Powell with
Unfortunately. Yeah.
Now he has become the P in the LP now, has he?
Well, you said that, I didn't. Yes, he has, and we wish him for much success with it. Of course, we miss him. It's very difficult to replace him. But I mean, you know, you run out of, at times, you can go only go so far.
So who's in Whitesnake currently?
Well, it's meat and 2 veg now. It's John Sykes, Neil Murray, and myself.
And then you're looking around for drummers?
Well, no, what we're doing now, there's a load of drummers have been applying already, but without us actually saying we want one now. I think we're going to be looking probably 6 weeks. But John Sykes and I are going off to write tomorrow. And we're taking a bunch of cassettes with us. There's a couple of people we have in mind, but it's pointless getting anybody involved yet. We have to provide the songs first for the new album.
So briefly, when can Whitesnake fans expect expect to hear a new LP?
The album, I should imagine, will be the end of July. We're about 6 weeks behind schedule because of hiccups.
Okay, well, thanks very much indeed, David, for coming.